Hello guys, so ato ni siyang isolve. Tanaw nato kung sakto ba gitong gisulti ni PBM or what went wrong? What could possibly has gone wrong? Um, so first, in order to do this for simplicity, dagag pamaagi to solve this one. But let's assume that all of these segments, no, all of these members are actually what we call a truss. So these are trusses. Actually, in general, we have a truss. It could be a frame or it could be a machine. But for simplicity, let's treat this as trusses. No, we'll use some truss physics. Okay, so tanaw na to ron. Okay, how the bridge work. So assume that, okay, saan to? Mahulog. Okay, let's assume nga the load is uniform all throughout this one, and I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segment, five members there, lima to. I think mas daghan to siya sa lima. So let's assume that in each of this, uniform ang load. So kada load dire, wherever is the part, is ma-distribute uniformly dire sa kada segment, sa kaning mga points dire, no? Now, let's take, for example, dire. What happens to the load dire? If this is suffering from a load L force, so in order to counter that, because this is in static equilibrium, that means there is a force na padulong dito, and that must be the same as L. And now, of course, since this is one segment, nga kuan, since this is static equilibrium again, L will be countered sa dire. So this is also L in this case dire. Now tanaw nato ning dire nga part. This is how trusses work. Kaning dire is that this load L will be divided by these two segments dire. Now naana siya angle, exaggerate nako ni siya nga part dire ha. Kana siya is nakaana na siya dapat, no, na siya angle, kumbaga pa dili ni sila dapat straightening dire kaning duha, kani og kani. Why is that? Because if that happens, then ma-zero member ni siya, no. Why? Because okay, tanaw nato ni siya nga case nga straight siya. If naa kay load dire L, that in order to maintain static equilibrium, this L nga dapat ma-zero ni siya at this. The sum of forces is zero, no, vector sum. But since straightening duha, these are actually linearly dependent vectors kaning duha, there's no way nga mabawi niya ning diri, no. So dapat naagay angle kaning diri somehow kaning diri in order to sa y perpendicular component sa aning force. So that naka-angle gid na siya. So what happens then is kaning diri, of course the same diri, experience gyapon ni sila gani nga forces and this one. So for example, this member here is actually experiencing a tension, or what we call a tensile force. And some of these members diri will experience, I think kaning diri is actually tensile forces, and some of the members diri will sa others will experience compressive forces, no, depende sa direction sa ano karon. And all of this kaning mga loads diri, no, this one tanang kaning load will be padulong ni siya tanan diri, and malabay siya diri. Okay, so in the end, all of the loads here will be transferred diri sa arc and padulong diri. That's the point of nganong magbutang taog ana, no, suspension bridges. Now, nganong kinahanglan na siya? Why not, instead of, because this is a complicated structure, why not tanggalon nato na siya and just build something diri, no, a third one or even a fourth and fifth? The problem is that you will need this is just not economically okay. Why? Because you will need a tremendous amount of dapat these materials here are the strongest foundation sa bridge. Kaya siya ang carry og weight dito. So it's expensive to make one of this. So imo nang duhaon, so economically that would be mahimo siyang inefficient economically. But so okay, so mao ni ang ginabuhat. Now there's actually a problem that I've seen in this. What's the first problem nga una na nakita when I see the picture? This is one here is a quadrilateral. So what's a quadrilateral? It's actually a polygon of 4 sides. Now naakoy kuan dire, ang standard manggod nga mga makita ninyo nga mga trusses are triangles. Why triangles? Why make classes out of triangles? Because a triangle is actually the most stable structure. And why is a triangle the most stable structure? So I'm going to demonstrate that one here. Na ako'y sticks diri of different sizes. Now, if I'm going to make a triangle out of this, there's only one type of triangle. There's only one triangle nga akong pwede mabuhat ani. And when I say one triangle, meaning that this angle here and that angle and that angle, now if this is 30 and this is, okay, if this is 40 and this is 50, this must, let's say 40, 60, this must be 40 plus 6, 60, this must be 80. So, such that the sum is 180. Karon, whatever akong buhaton ana, no, whatever orientation, it will still be the same triangle, only rotated and translated. But the orientation, the angle, katong una ko nga 50, 40, 60, and 80, if that is the angle, ma-maintain na siya, no? There's no way, there's no other. There's only one unique triangle. Now, what if instead of that, I will have 4? So I can make a quadrilateral out of this. So one quadrilateral I can make is this. Now, the thing is that this quadrilateral is not unique. Why? Tungod kay tanawa, i-fix na ako ni, and I'm going to rotate this. Can I still make a quadrilateral? Yes, pwede gihapon. Ana. And that would be the same, that would be another quadrilateral, that is what we want quadrilateral, or that ako ni siyang anihon diri, and maybe this one here, that's another quadrilateral. Okay? So, in fact, even though fixing one of this, I can already make infinite number of quadrilaterals. The point is, I can make infinitely many possible quadrilaterals of different angles diri sa kaning diri, of different angles here, using the same, with the same perimeter. So, that's why it is unstable ang quadrilateral. Whereas a triangle, tanawa. Okay. Now, if I'm going to fix, if I'll try to fix this and rotate one, let's say this one, there's no way that I can make a triangle nga mao gyapon ang side diri kun dili i-rotate pud nako ni siya didto so that mo fit ni siya diri, and that resulting triangle is of the same orientation sa katong triangle. Okay, so yeah, that's why it is stable, but this is a quadrilateral design. Now, posible ba na siya nga ano, nganong kana ang design sa designer? I don't know, maybe art, aesthetics, but yes, posible man actually, no, pwede ganing wala na siya. All I have to do is actually strengthen, no, tanang possible material sa ibutang na carbon nanofibers, just to make it a very very strong, but that would be very costly. That's why muna nagbutang diri, because as I've said, it's expensive. Now, kung sige ano nila, maybe they put a really strong material diri. It was a circular arc actually, but strong materials, pwede ba na siya? Pwede maghapon. Wala may problema. And this material here, and actually kung mapansin niyo nga nakakuan siya, nakabaga siya, no, katong nasa actual, ganung baga to siya, because in fact ang forces dili lang vertical, not pud lateral forces there, horizontal, due to the well, ang sa mga sakyanan mismo mo create na sila og ana nga ano, not only this force here, and aside from the movement of the earth. So kani, yes, pwede na siya mupugong diha, but the thing here is you have to make this a very strong kaning diri nga kuan. And as much as I can tell, kani siya cannot help in the lateral forces. Why? First, I think it was just kanang cord ganing kanang metallic cord ganing. Of course, you can tali lang siya ba, di ba? Pwede nimo lukuuto na. Wala na siya matabang diri. And again, even if solid na siya nga dili gid siya mapiko, still this forces, any forces diri dili siya it cannot, just like I've said, it's easy to ship the ano sa quadrilateral akong i-fix ning diri, and I can ano. So okay, now tanaw na tong statement ni BBM, because we are actually accusing the administration of corruption diri. Mahal ang project. I don't know kung mahal ba gyud siya or tama lang. Wala ko kabalo sa, wala ko scope ana, wala ko authority to speak of that. But uh, let's see, um, maybe nganong mahal, kung mahal man gid siya, because they have to make strong foundations out of this. Ibig sabihin, this has to may be made up of materials that's really strong. Kaya wala man ipulos pag abot sa lateral forces. Okay, and again, this is unstable, quite unstable, but then if this is strong enough, so okay. Wala siya problema. So, yung ni BBM is actually, it was a design problem. Yeah, probably, natanaw na to, pwede siyang maano, nga design problem gid siya, but he actually spoke, okay, dagang nanggawas nga there's corruption, there's something ani, but let's judge BBM sa iyang gisulti, no. Na ako'y na save diri nga clip ato, nakita ko sa anong cellphone ako nga isa. Let's hear the man sa iyang, according sa iyang gisulti. Okay, let's hear what BBM had to say. And then let's judge kung unsa bay ko aniya, no. I have already watched this one, so tanaw na to. Okay, layawa sa man ni Borge, unsa man pud nimong gi kuan sa akong cellphone nga, unsa naman gibuhat nimo nga sa magi pang open nimo dire, nakasum pag yun, oh. Hak wawon mo tag butong ani, oh ikuan na, oh. Okay guys, sorry. But anyway, I've heard it. Daghan ko nakita nga post that BBM's murag daw correct, murag structural engineer. Well, to be fair, no, ako mismo, I did not vote for the unit team. In fact, I campaigned against the unit team sa una. But let's judge objectively, no. Let's be objective sa atong judgment. Sa iyang gisulti, first na-notice nako nga okay ang flow sa iyang storya, wala siya nangiwi, no, wala nagawas to yung kuan, mga mannerisms and everything. He spoke confidently, maybe because before talking into the public, he actually consulted structural engineers before that, so he was confident. I see nothing wrong sa iyahang gipang sulti. And of course, given that position, you can ask structural engineer and just echo whatever that engineer said. And also, isa lang nga na ano nako dito nga medyo mali tanaw nako is that he said katong is the maximum is 44 tons. Mo maximum daw. I don't know if it is true. And ana siya nga nitanaw siya dito sa katong truck, and the truck is more than 100 tons. I doubt it's more than 100 tons. Murag bugat ra gid kayo. But then again, here's the problem. If let's accept that it is true that 44 tons ang maximum load, no, at one point sa Kuan Bridge, nganong nakalusot ang 100 tons, na amang gud na dapat weighing before sa bridge manggod na, usually manggod especially if the bridge is sensitive to if gamay lag allowance, and you would know unsa nga mga klase nga truck ang gaagi dira, nanay weighing sa station dire before they can cross. Dapat na siya nganong nakalusot siya, no? And of course it must be managed, kay dili pud pwede nga although less than, let's say 44 tons maximum, ang isa kay 30 tons, and then ang isa, the other one is 20 tons. So of course kani okay ra ang 30 tons mas kaya ra, but the point is what happens now if ang duha ka truck magsabay, like mo overtake ang isa or magtagbo sila sa dalan, that would be 50 tons at that single point, and it may cause really some, no, it can no longer the tension, it can no longer hold it. So mao na siya ang nahitabo. Now how about the corruption issue, no? Corruption sa spelling ana, corruption, naabagi corruption nga nahitabo, wala ta kabalo, tinuod lang. Let's not judge according sa ato ang hunch. The problem is, no, kabalo mo toxic na kayong social media kay tungod sa ato ang kanaganing it's not for us to say nga naay corruption. Again, as I've said, there's a reason nga nung mahal kayo nga project. They have to build strong materials. And if ever na ay corruption good, it's not for us to say, it's not for us to declare publicly, it's not for us to write it, much more write it in social media. Toxic na kayo. One is accusing the other of and then dili gid ba kay accuse gidiretso gid ba. Di ba natin ginatuwa nga anyone is innocent, is assumed innocent unless proven guilty. So it's for the Supreme Court, it's for the Senate, it's for the Congress to know if that is corruption. It's not ours. So yeah, we can say our opinion, but when you say that naay corruption na hitabo, dili na siya opinion, you're actually trying to declare some facts. You're actually claiming something, no? Claiming something. And then you have, in order, if you claim something, you have to prove it. Toxic na kayong social media, guys, tungod sa atong anang batasan, no? Nahitabo karon usay kabulong usay kuan kaning na ay issue gani, we judge mo ano dayon ta, and wala pa gani na accuse ani da dayon. Like for example, recently katong issue ni Kibs og ni brother na nanggawas nga ni share nga nag-ingon nga nganong nganong sa to nganong kasuhan ang nang rape kay kasuhan, pero ang nangihi kay ang rape kay dili ang nang rape kay dili daw kasuhan nganong ana daw, and then ang nangihi kay kasuhan. Of course, sayop kayo ito siyang argument. Oh, well, of course, kabalutan nga, kinsay nagkaso kay brother? Ang nagkaso kay kampo ni Kibs, private. And si Kibs na ay kaso, right? Gikasuhan siya, wala pa verdict. And sa tinuod lang, it's not for us to say that nang rape siya, that he is a rapist. It's not for us. It's for the Supreme Court. It's for the higher court to say we can have our belief on it, but I think to accuse the person as if that it has dili na siya atua, because no matter how obvious something is, and na experience nato na siya, posible gina siya nga no matter how obvious something is nga dili di ay mao ang tinuod, dili di ay siya the truth is actually other So what if kita ang mabiktima? What if kita karon ang naa dito, no? Ang nahitabo magud sa Pilipinas mo ni ginatawag nato nga Tulfo justice. Pagpiestahan dayon, tanan i-judge dayon ning kanang ingnon dayon ka nga kriminal ka nga ani ka whatever, tanan toxic mo ni nakatoxic sa ato, because we without proof, without we keep on saying that. Now balik ta diri sa issue, did the corruption happen? I don't know. Was BBM say statement ni BBM, I think walay problema ang yang statement. As I've said, personally, I did not vote for Uniteam. In fact, I campaigned against the Uniteam sa una. And between VP Sara and BBM karon sa ilang away, I would be on the side maybe of Sara. Mas na ako dito nga side. But let's be fair pod. Although dili ta ganahan, pero ganing toxic na ina natong ani magsugod na pod. No, samot nagkuan, murag daw correct, murag ana. Of course, he can speak like that kay naaman siya connection sa mga he can talk to the best structural engineers in the country and just echo. Ikaw diha nga naminaw kinsa may kaila ng mga engineer, wala kay mga kaila, but maybe not one of katong pinaka best gid nga mga engineering firms sa country that can speak of this. When he said that there's a problem in design, probably it's correct, and ako mismo na ako'y makita dire, but again, limited na po akong knowledge ani. Again, actually ang atong gimodel gan is trust lang. In fact, it can be frames, na i-frames diyan, machines, whatever, say ko kaning mga members dire. This is just the simplest possible calculation nga makita nato. Okay? So, yeah, that's what akong gusto i-point, no? I hope nga let's not be so judgmental. We can actually believe. Pwede ta mo atong pagtuo natay opinion, it's valid for us. Whether kaning tawhanan ni siya is nangawat ba o wala, natay without proof. Naamang kita emotion, right? Pero when we act, when we speak publicly, when we put something in writing, I think it should be that we should have proof on that. Dili na to pwede spread ang toxic na idea in order to pag wala tay proof. No, ako I speak usually in social media. I speak political ideologies. I try to kill political ideologies nga mga tanaw na ko mga daot. And but I have some logical proofs on that before I speak. Okay? So I think kana lang siguro kay murag iuhaw ko butong guys, butong sa ko. Okay, thank you for watching.